Most people think the Apple Watch is the smart choice. They're wrong. And here's the data to prove it. Most fitness trackers give you numbers, lots of them, but very few actually tell you what to do with them. The Fitbit Charge 6 is different, and here's why that matters. It doesn't just track your health. It tells you exactly what to do about it. Built-in GPS, so you can run with your phone. ECG, stress detection, sleep stages, Google Wallet, Google Maps, all packed into a tracker that's slimmer than most smartwatches. Now, here's the part most reviews don't tell you. It's better on Android. If you're on iPhone, some features won't work as well. Now about this bundle. The fast charger alone retails for nearly $30. This bundle saves you $40, before you even count the 6 months of premium free. BestPickr verdict. The Fitbit Charge 6 bundle is our best pick. For health trackers under $200. Link in description. And subscribe so you never miss the next best deal.